You have probably noticed grocery prices creeping upward every single week. Not enough to shock you. Enough to quietly change your shopping habits. That is how pantry inflation works. Small increases become expensive surprises before most families notice. Some everyday foods remain surprisingly affordable today. Many also store safely for months or even years. Buying them now is not panic buying. It is simply paying today's price for tomorrow's meals. Let's count down the first 3 essentials. Each one deserves a permanent place in your pantry. Number 10 is active dry yeast. Most shoppers barely notice it. It costs only a couple of dollars. Usually it waits beside flour and vanilla extract. Many people buy it only for homemade pizza. That overlooks its real value completely. Flour alone provides calories. Yeast transforms flour into real bread. Without it, you settle for dense flatbread. With it, you bake soft, satisfying loaves. That difference matters during extended pantry cooking. Comfort matters almost as much as calories. Real bread lifts morale after repetitive meals. Properly stored yeast lasts surprisingly long. Keep unopened jars somewhere cool and dry. Expect about 1 year beyond the printed date. Freeze unopened yeast for even longer storage. Many people successfully keep it active for years. That tiny investment delivers tremendous value. If flour prices continue climbing, yeast usually follows. Buying early locks today's lower price. Number 9 is baking soda. Almost everyone already owns one box. Many even keep another inside the refrigerator. That sounds sufficient. Usually it is not. Once you begin baking regularly, supplies disappear quickly. People also use baking soda while cleaning. Others rely on it for cooking. Some use it as a gentle antacid. It even works as emergency toothpaste. Its versatility surprises almost everyone. Stored dry and sealed, baking soda lasts indefinitely. Instead of spoiling, it slowly loses strength. Replacing older boxes occasionally solves that problem. Keeping several boxes costs very little. Yet those extra boxes cover countless household needs. They also support emergency food preparation. Few pantry plans account for heavy baking soda use. That small oversight becomes obvious later. The next item works perfectly alongside baking soda. It is even more essential. Number 8 is plain table salt. Salt is not ordinary food. It is a mineral. It does not spoil. It does not become rancid. It never loses usefulness when kept dry. Protect it from moisture. It remains usable indefinitely. A large bag often costs under $2. That makes salt one of the best values available. Most people think salt simply improves flavor. Its real importance reaches much further. Salt makes home food preservation possible. Brining depends on salt. Curing depends on salt. Pickling depends on salt. Without salt, fresh produce spoils much faster. Simple cucumbers become pickles with salt and water. That extends usefulness from days into weeks. Salt also supports normal body function. Physical work increases sodium needs. Illness can increase those needs too. Very low sodium intake may contribute to fatigue. Muscle cramping can also become more common. Many people never connect those symptoms with sodium. One inexpensive bag closes that nutritional gap. It also prepares you for future food preservation. These first 3 pantry staples share something important. None attract much attention inside the grocery store. None look impressive inside your shopping cart. Yet together they quietly strengthen every meal you prepare. They improve baking. They improve preservation. They improve everyday cooking. They improve long-term food security. And the next item continues building that foundation with another inexpensive ingredient that solves several household problems while helping ordinary meals stay fresh, flavorful, and far more practical than most shoppers ever imagine. White distilled vinegar deserves far more credit than it usually receives. Most people buy one bottle. Then they forget about it. That is a mistake. A gallon often costs under $3. Sometimes it costs even less. Its natural acidity resists spoilage extremely well. A sealed bottle stays usable for years. There is little concern about expiration. Vinegar preserves fresh food naturally. Mix vinegar, water, and salt. Create a simple pickling brine. Cucumbers last much longer. Carrots stay fresh longer. Onions become flavorful pantry staples. Peppers also benefit. That simple skill stretches grocery dollars. Vinegar also transforms bland meals. Plain rice tastes acceptable. Rice with vinegar becomes much brighter. Small improvements prevent meal fatigue. That matters during repetitive eating. Outside the kitchen, vinegar remains equally valuable. It removes mineral deposits. It cuts grease. It eliminates lingering odors. One inexpensive bottle solves countless household problems. Number 6 is instant mashed potato flakes. Many shoppers underestimate them. That assumption costs them. Potato flakes are practical emergency food. They store compactly. They prepare quickly. Hot water does most of the work. Add butter or cooking oil. The result feels like real comfort food. Not emergency rations. Potatoes also provide nutritional variety. They supply useful carbohydrates. They contain meaningful potassium. That helps diversify pantry meals. Commercial packages usually last 2 to 5 years. Better storage extends that lifespan further. Meal variety matters more than people expect. Rice every day becomes repetitive. Pasta every day becomes repetitive. Potato flakes break that cycle. A third dependable starch improves morale. That alone makes them worthwhile. Number 5 is canned evaporated milk. Many pantry plans ignore dairy completely. Fresh milk spoils quickly. Powdered milk divides opinions. Many families simply dislike using it. Unused supplies provide no value. Evaporated milk solves that problem. Manufacturers remove about 60% of its water. Then they seal it inside cans. No refrigeration is needed unopened. It pours like real dairy. It blends naturally into coffee. It enriches oatmeal. It improves soups. It strengthens sauces. It performs beautifully during baking. Most cans cost under $2. Buying cases lowers the price further. Unopened cans commonly last 1 to 2 years. Cool storage often extends usefulness. There is no mixing. There are no unpleasant flavors. There are no stubborn clumps. It works immediately. That convenience encourages regular pantry rotation. Dairy quietly supports many daily recipes. People rarely notice until it disappears. Coffee changes immediately. Mashed potatoes feel incomplete. Soups lose richness. Baking becomes more difficult. Evaporated milk restores those familiar meals. It does so affordably. It also stores effortlessly. That combination makes it surprisingly valuable. These 3 pantry additions continue building a complete food system. Vinegar preserves. Potato flakes diversify meals. Evaporated milk solves everyday dairy needs. Each item costs relatively little. Each extends your grocery budget. Each strengthens long-term preparedness without extreme spending. Many households already buy these occasionally. Buying extra while prices remain reasonable simply makes financial sense. The next essential becomes even more important. It delivers inexpensive calories. It stores remarkably well. It cooks quickly. It pairs with almost everything. And it begins building the calorie foundation every dependable pantry needs before another overlooked ingredient fills the nutritional gap that surprises even experienced shoppers. These 10 pantry items are not separate purchases. Together, they become one complete system. White rice forms the foundation. It delivers dependable calories for decades. Pasta adds speed and flexibility. It cooks quickly. It pairs with almost anything. Potato flakes create welcome variety. That simple change prevents meal fatigue. Cooking oil fills the essential fat gap. It also improves flavor dramatically. Peanut butter supplies protein without preparation. It also provides familiar comfort. Evaporated milk solves the dairy problem. It enriches everyday recipes. Salt supports preservation and seasoning. It also helps maintain normal body function. Baking soda serves countless household purposes. It helps with baking. It helps with cleaning. It even handles emergency situations. White vinegar preserves fresh produce. It extends food life naturally. It also replaces many commercial cleaners. Active dry yeast transforms ordinary flour. Simple ingredients become fresh bread. Every item strengthens the others. Together, they create a balanced pantry. None of them seem remarkable alone. Combined, they become incredibly valuable. Better still, most remain inexpensive today. That opportunity will not necessarily last. Food prices rarely jump overnight. They usually rise gradually. Small increases become permanent. Most shoppers barely notice. Months later, the difference becomes obvious. The same grocery cart costs considerably more. Buying early avoids those future increases. That is not speculation. It is basic mathematics. Pay today's price once. Avoid tomorrow's higher price repeatedly. You also do not need everything immediately. Build your pantry gradually. Start with the essentials. Add another item next week. Continue whenever your budget allows. Progress matters more than speed. Even a modest pantry creates meaningful security. Many families spend $50 casually. That same amount can build lasting food reserves. Rice, pasta, salt, vinegar, peanut butter, evaporated milk. Those basics often remain under $50. Store them correctly. They provide months of supplemental food security. Some even remain usable for decades. Very few household purchases offer comparable value. This approach is not extreme. It is not panic buying. It is not hoarding. It is thoughtful planning. Every responsible household prepares for uncertainty. Unexpected expenses happen. Temporary job loss happens. Storms interrupt shopping. Supply shortages happen. Price spikes happen. Having food already purchased reduces stress. It also protects your budget. You gain flexibility. You gain confidence. You gain valuable peace of mind. The smartest grocery purchase is often the one made before prices rise. Small decisions today become significant savings tomorrow. A stronger pantry also means fewer emergency shopping trips. It means greater independence. It means better financial resilience. None of these benefits require expensive specialty foods. Everything comes from an ordinary grocery store. Everything serves everyday purposes. Nothing sits unused waiting for disaster. Rotate supplies naturally. Use what you store. Replace what you use. That simple cycle keeps your pantry fresh. It also keeps your investment working continuously. The goal is practical preparedness. Not fear. Not excess. Just smart shopping. Every shelf gradually becomes stronger. Every meal becomes more secure. Every grocery trip becomes more intentional. When prices eventually climb again, your pantry keeps working for you. That is the quiet advantage of planning ahead. Buy wisely while costs remain reasonable. Store everything correctly. Rotate consistently. And let today's affordable groceries become tomorrow's dependable security for your family.